Here is how you can find your number on the iPhone. So there are actually more ways you can do it. The first one is when you go to the Contacts app and you can see all of the people you have stored, but at the top you should see your card with your personal information. So you can tap on yourself like this, and the phone number is very likely going to be saved in here. So you have a very easy way of accessing it directly inside of the contacts. But there are of course more ways. For example, on this phone I don't even have like a SIM card, or actually I do. Like, I just open up the settings and you can go to the cellular section, and in here at the bottom you get to see your phone number. It is part of the My Number section, so that is yet another way you can check it out. So either in the contacts or in the settings in a cellular, and you can just see the information. Of course, if you have another SIM card, when you're using the dual SIM approach, you'll see the second SIM card listed below. So everything can be managed inside of the settings and a cellular section, but also in the contacts you might have the details and the data stored. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Subscribe right now so you never miss anything important, and I'll see you later.